Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by pairing essential prerequisites with immediate actions, so progress starts now. First, clarify 3 priority hazards and secure leadership commitment. This matters because culture follows example. Once agreed, assign one owner and launch a 2-week pilot using simple metrics to measure participation and near misses. Make sure to communicate goals clearly and give staff one concrete ask so they can act today. This prevents paralysis and builds early momentum toward a living safety culture. You keep momentum by embedding routines and measurement. This is where change becomes normal. Start weekly 15-30-minute trainings and safety huddles to practice behaviors and rotate responsibilities so ownership spreads. Collect 3 focused metrics: participation percentage, near misses, and corrective actions to track progress and reveal patterns. Once done, analyze trends, share results transparently, and adjust training or processes. This makes the why visible and reinforces desired habits, instead of relying on memory alone. You finalize by locking in what works and preparing for setbacks. Standardize effective practices into checklists and SOPs, then review them monthly while celebrating wins to keep morale high. Make sure to update goals incrementally by roughly 10 to 25% so progress stays realistic. If engagement falls, resurvey staff immediately to diagnose causes and run a focused pilot to test fixes. This troubleshooting loop ensures the culture improves continuously rather than stalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.